Hello, welcome to ZTech Studios. In this video, we will see 10 best Linux distributions for everyone. Linux Mint, best Linux distro for beginners. Linux Mint is one of the fastest growing Linux distros around. Linux Mint is perfect replacement for Windows operating system with its nearly perfect desktop experience. Why Linux Mint best for beginners? Easy to use Cinnamon desktop, large supportive community, out of the box experience, access to Ubuntu software repository. Ubuntu Mate, best Linux distro for old hardware. Minimum RAM requirement is just 512 MB. The hardware requirement of this distribution is very low and it works great with old hardware. And it is also available in 32-bit format. These are the key features of Ubuntu Mate. Different layout options, active user community, perfect performance balance, Ubuntu software repository access. Kali Linux, best Linux distribution for ethical hacking. When it comes to ethical hacking, there is absolutely no match for Kali Linux. It comes with hundreds of useful tools that belong to different categories like vulnerability analysis, wireless attacks, web application exploitation tools, stress testing, etc. Apart from full-featured desktops, Kali is also available for Raspberry Pi, Chromebook and for Android phones in form of NetHunter. These are the key features of Kali Linux: a regular rolling release model, different ethical hacking tools, solid Debian based, vast learning resource. Manjaro, Linux distro for gaming. Manjaro Linux is the best option for gaming. Having Steam pre-installed and excellent hardware support is a great plus point on Manjaro's site. Manjaro also ships with a hardware detection tool that make the overall graphics and driver situation clear. So, why Manjaro is suitable for gaming? Pre-installed Steam, pre-installed graphics drivers for NVIDIA and AMD, excellent documentation and community support. MX Linux, fastest growing Linux distribution. As per the data of DistroWatch, MX Linux has been able to generate lots of interest among the users over the past 12 months. And it is currently ranked number 1. MX Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution that uses lightweight XFCE Linux desktop environment. These are the key features of MX Linux: clean and simple user interface, portable installation option, unique mid-weight category of Linux distros. Debian, Linux distribution for programming. Debian testing branch has a vast collection of packages which have a reputation for being regularly tested, updated and rock solid. This stability allows a programmer to take care of the development with a peace of mind. If you are experienced programmer, then you should try Debian. Otherwise, if you are beginner, then you should go for Ubuntu. So, why choose Debian for programming? Rock solid platform for development, large number of packages and popular deb package management. Next one is Elementary OS. It is the most beautiful Linux distribution. Ubuntu based Elementary OS is the most beautiful Linux distro, which is also known for its unparalleled performance. Elementary OS borrows some design elements from macOS. Shipping without many default Ubuntu applications, Elementary OS delivers lightweight experience as well. These are the key features of Elementary OS: lightweight desktop, Mac OS like appearance, lesser application and slick interface. Tails Linux, Linux distro for privacy. Tails is a live operating system that can be booted on almost any computer using DVD or USB image. This Debian-based secure Linux distro makes sure that all the internet connections are forced to go through the Tor network. So, why Tails Linux? Forces every connection via Tor network, stores everything in the RAM for no trace, also suitable for general use, built-in encryption suite. Next one is CentOS. It is the best Linux distro for servers. CentOS is the way to grab RHEL benefits without spending a single fee. In other words, CentOS is a community-supported Red Hat Enterprise Linux. You can use it as your production system or server. It is also famous for general-purpose Linux distribution. These are the key features of CentOS: free version of RHEL, popular RPM and Yum package management, widespread support across the tech industry, and long-term support. Now, last one is Ubuntu. It is the most powerful Linux distribution for PC and laptop. Personally, I am using Ubuntu as a daily driver and it is my favorite Linux distribution. Ubuntu has managed to balance stability and new features like no other distro. That's why it enjoys unparalleled popularity. There are different versions of Ubuntu are available. You can use them according to your hardware capability. So, why Ubuntu is popular? Lots of software, vast community and supportive forums, user-friendly and powerful, and snaps of popular applications. Yeah, that's it from my side. In this video, I have tried to cover all the Linux distributions from different categories. I hope you will enjoy this video and thanks for watching.